Here we have a very nice 7-inch by 12-inch horizontal bandsaw. 115 volt, 1 horsepower. And we're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. 4-speed belt drive. Step pulley. And all the functions operate really nicely on this machine. Has a hydraulic down feed, coolant pump system. Right. Down feed is adjustable. And when properly adjusted, the head comes down. This red tab hits the switch, shuts the machine off. It includes 4 casters, 2 axles, instruction manual. You can also do vertical cuts with it. So you get a vertical cutting plate, your hardware for your wheels. Here's your coolant pump system down here. And a quick release vise. Blade tensioner. Material stop. Does a few little paint scuffs. A couple little paint scratches. This got dented in right here on the side a little bit. Nothing major. Just peeled a little bit of paint off, as you can see right here. And we thank you for looking at our product.